Yo, what's going on, guys? If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell too as well. Appreciate it. It means a lot. Okay, in this video we're going to talk about how I upload to KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. Before it was CreateSpace. It was CreateSpace. I actually made a video on that. I didn't upload it though because so CreateSpace went over. They merged with Kindle Direct Publishing, and now it's just they're one now. From what I heard. So I have actually transferred all my books over to Kindle Direct Publishing. They actually told you to do that, so if you guys haven't did that, go ahead and do that now. But we're just gonna go into detail in this video about everything, about how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you step by step, and then I'm gonna actually show you guys a live link to the actual journal that I uploaded. So let's get into there, check it out. And also to give a shout out to Kelly. I'm gonna put her YouTube channel down below. She gives so much information on this. She's killing it with it. I'm barely starting. I'm just gonna show you guys the journey and how I'm gonna do this with Kindle Direct Publishing. So it should be an interesting little journey, and yeah, see you guys in the computer. Alright guys, what's going on? So this video is basically just a basic video on how to upload a journal to I was gonna say CreateSpace, Kindle Direct Publishing. So as you guys know, CreateSpace has actually transitioned everything over to Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. Okay, so yeah, I've been messing with it a lot of just messing with a lot of stuff, and kind of just trying to figure everything out. I actually just got all my books barely transferred, like all my stuff, like all my journals and everything transferred over to KDP, and everything's good now. I actually had a call CreateSpace, and I got on the phone with them like within 30 seconds, and I had some issues because I had to delete some old journals that were like stuck. They weren't stuck, but the titles were wrong or something like that, and I wanted to delete them because I didn't want to use them, so I had to delete like 3 or 4 titles, and they deleted them, and then everything came over to Kindle Direct Publishing. So okay, this is the actual. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come into your Kindle Direct Publishing account. You're gonna click on Bookshelf. Okay, which it automatically does that for you anyways. And then you're gonna come right here. It says create a new title, as you can see right here. And then you're gonna come over here and click on paperback. Clicks. Alright, so now this is the whole process. This is everything right here. I actually made the cover already. It's a 6x9. It's gonna be a 6x9 journal, like notebook journal. So it was a unicorn journal. Okay, right here, 120 pages. You can do 6 inches by 9 inches. Alright, 120 pages. So right here in the subtitle, you can put a little bit more keywords, but not too many. You can just describe what the illustration is doing or whatever. As you guys, you'll see in I'll show you guys right now on the like the preview of the cover. So unicorn journal. So obviously right here with the book title, you can put a little bit more on the title if you want. Like you can kind of just like with the research and stuff like that. I'll show you guys that a little bit more later on. Kind of be like more of an advanced research or just research in general. And you can see because like the title names and stuff like that, you can see like there's just like merch by Amazon, there's a demand for the journal, so you can kind of just go in and see what's making sales and just kind of go in that niche and kind of just take over. Alright, so right here, kind of just basically with the unicorn journal, this is going to show on the title too as well. Kind of the customer's going to know what it is and stuff like that. It's 120 pages. Like it's good for the customer to see. Oh yeah, this journal has 120 pages. You know, so that's pretty cool. Now with this part right here, with the author part, this edition number, this is optional. Now with the author part, what I know is, remember the last name on the CreateSpace. The last name on CreateSpace, it would the last name on CreateSpace, it would actually rank better because it's like is like a keyword, so I would actually put a keyword in here to help the actual journal rank better. So I would put unicorn, I don't know, unicorn, I didn't even think about which. Put unicorn, rainbow unicorn journal or something like that. So you can kind of get away with a little bit right here. Right now with this right here, you like, of course, like later on, you like with your publishing business or anything like that, you can put like the name of like your business right here. So that will kind of help, and it's like kind of like the brand name almost, and it will kind of keep all your journals underneath that. So with the unicorn niche, you kind of, what I do right here, what I've been doing, what I've been testing with, because I don't have a lot of journals up, probably have about 60 or 70, and right here, just that's what I've been doing. So, and of course later on I'll probably put everything underneath one brand to kind of just, well, for the business, of course. Contributors, I just left that blank. Now description. Okay, now from what I've been testing, okay, like the description really doesn't matter too much. It seems like with the journal, it really doesn't matter too much. So what I've been doing for this niche, for the unicorn niche, I would make one template for the unicorn niche, and kind of just describe the journal a little bit and then I'll just upload every single description to that niche, if that makes niche or niche. Okay, if that makes sense. You get what I'm saying? Don't make it hard. Don't overwhelm yourself right now. Your goal is to, of course, get some type of profit going, get that kind of momentum going, and then you go from there. Like, of course, like if you feel like, just test it. This part you just want to test out. Okay, so you can put just awesome idea for what was it, for unicorn lovers. Now, like, see, with most of my uploads, I do have I do have a lot more in the description. Okay, everything is related to that niche. Publishing rights, I own the copyright. Click right here. Now with the keywords, now with these keywords right here, this is the same exact way I would use the auto complete on Amazon. Okay, so like, there's a couple keywords that I would already know. Like, I would go over to Amazon. Let's do it live. God, suck right now. I'm not typing. Let's type in unicorn. See, now also, so with this right here, it kind of gives you an idea. Unicorn gifts. So I would use, there's a few. Okay, also, okay, with the keywords, I know it can't be that long. I'm not sure exactly. That's something you would have to test out too as well. But you would do the keyword, you do your keyword research and see if you type in journal. Okay. Now see, the unicorn journal for girls. See, there's unicorn journal set. So what I would type in, so unicorn, and you want to fill out this whole all these keywords right here, because it's going to help your journal rank more, which in return you'll get more sales. There's that one. So I would fill this all out, and as you guys can see, now this is going to be a different video later on, but you can see that, look at these, the ideas are already coming. Like, look at the sales rank on this right here. Look at the sales rank right here. In books, 21K. Okay, now you guys can see, look at just right there. Like, if you guys have experience with Merch by Amazon or just barely get into this, sales ranks like this in the book category are just, they're doing crazy numbers every single day. So, like, this is big right here. Like, you can, like, I am 10 and magical. Like, this is basic, like basic stuff right here, and the sales are amazing. Like, that's awesome. It's cool. It's pretty cool, and you can see just like with the keywords that they're using. Okay, now I know that Kindle Direct Publishing don't like a lot of keywords in here. I'm pretty sure there's ways of how they're doing it. We'll get into that more later on, but this is just an example. Like, I just barely just did this right now, and all this popped up. So what was it, unicorn for girls? Okay, Okay, they don't like I said, they don't like when you put a lot of keywords. I mean, like, I think, does it say somewhere on here? No, it doesn't. Okay, but yeah, just fill this out for sure right here. This is very important right here, so I would definitely fill that out. And then you come over here, choose category, non-classifiable, save. And then, does this book contain language, situation, or inappropriate image? No. And then save and continue. But yeah, that keyword part is very crucial, because remember, like, I just did that right there. I just did keyword research right there, kind of just a little bit, and then I just found all kinds of other, you know what I mean, like top ranked journals that are making sales like more than 5 a day, 10 a day. Okay, assign a free KDP ISBN. Go ahead, assign that. That's free. I would definitely just do that all the time for sure. Date, this is optional. You don't have to do that. Just do it for this video. You can just do it. I did white paper. White paper 6x9. Okay, bleed, no bleed. Now with this right here, it all depends on the, like, of course, like the interior part. Okay, put bleed. Now this paperback cover finish, with this right here, I've been, like I said, you can even come over here and see if it says it over here. Just check it out. Let's see what they're doing, just to see if it, I don't even know if it says it. Does it say it? 110 pages. Okay, well, we're just gonna do Matt for this book right here. And then I'm gonna upload so this is the interior part. That's the interior, and then I'm gonna upload the cover so you guys can kind of just, and then I'll give you a preview of it so you guys can see how it looks. And also too, like, one of the problems that I've ran into, make sure when you're doing the covers, do not put the font like very bold, like where it's touching the edges. They don't like that when you do that, because like when they're cutting the books and stuff like that, like it'll cut off the title and it won't look good for the customer. So they frown upon that. So they will like reject your they'll reject your book upload, your cover and all that stuff. They reject the whole book. So kind of just keep the title like within the margins, as you can see with this one right here. You see how they kind of just kept everything like in the middle of the title. So that's what I would do. Upload. Okay, upload, which is this one right here. So this is my cover right here, my book cover that I've done, and I'll show you guys a preview right now in a second. Okay, let's launch preview. Let's check it out. Also too, if you guys have any questions, or any, like, if you guys want to make any more videos on anything specific about journals, let me know down below in the description, as it's going to take a few minutes to prep. I appreciate that. That way I can kind of provide more content for you guys. Of course, I want to do a couple of research videos for you guys, and then just on how to make the covers and stuff like that too as well. But right now I'm just going to show you just the basic fundamentals of uploading to KDP. So yeah, this too also is it's actually my first time uploading to KDP. There's a few videos that I've watched. Kelly she's been a big help in this, like, her little community of journals and stuff like that. Yeah, she's been amazing. She's been like, she messaged me and just all kinds of like just positive vibes and stuff like that, and just if I had any questions, just message her back. And yeah, she's been pretty cool to me. So shout out to Kelly, and subscribe to her channel too. I'll put that down below in the description as well. Alright, so I'm not sure why this is taking forever. I'm going to cancel this out. Okay, let's just come in here and let me show you the cover. This is the cover I made. Alright, Unicorn Journal. It's a unicorn dabbing. Okay, this is the exact one I made right here. Okay, nothing on the back, just only on the front. Very simple. Yeah, so alright, now let's come in here and save and continue. Okay, alright, so this is the preview part. It actually took, sorry about this, so it actually took about, like, I'm not sure how long. It took me like 15 minutes to actually get this. I think because they're actually transitioning everything over from CreateSpace to Kindle Direct Publishing, so they're probably just like a long process of me doing a preview of this. Kind of took a while, I think, because of that, and maybe because it's my first upload too as well. As you guys can see, okay, this is the cover that I made. Very simple. It's very important, like I said, this black dotted line right here, keep the title, keep the graphic inside this. Okay, you just kind of want to keep it, see that little space right there? It's a good spacing amount right there. Kind of keep it away. Right here too as well, you can put some smaller text below this still too, and you can still see it. The customer can still see it. I didn't put nothing on the back. You can put stuff on the back. I heard there's people actually putting like keywords very small, like right here on the spine or whatever. I'm not sure how they're doing that. I'll figure that out later on. Make a video on that later on. You can put it on the spine, and they're actually putting like keywords in the title because it's so small. But and this kind of just making this fairly big. Yeah. So that's it right there. This is my design. This is my title and everything. Approve. And I'll actually have this live on Amazon so you guys can kind of take a look and see for yourself. Let's go down here, see what else. Approve. Printing cost, 15. So let's go over here to the next page, and I think we're gonna put in the pricing. This is pretty cool too as well. From what I've seen, I haven't, like I said, I haven't did it yet. Let's see here too. Is required. All territories. Mark. Okay. Let's do 699. Now this is the cool part. Like, it literally put it in all these marketplaces Amazon's available at. Like with me, when I see that, like that just made me happy. Like, the power of that is crazy, because you think about it, like, upload to one platform and then upload to the .com and marketplace, and then it uploads to all the other marketplaces for you. Like, that's crazy. Like, I don't, like, let's check it out. Like, look at this, is crazy. That was pretty cool. Yeah, so okay, yeah, so let's publish this. And I'll actually put a link down below too as well, so you guys can see the actual journal too as well. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let's go ahead and let me see if I did this correctly. Let's just close this for now. Alright, so it's under review. Okay, I'll actually put the link to this actual journal down below in the description down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions at all, please comment down below. You guys have a good night, good day, good morning, good afternoon, or whatever. Okay, thank you guys.